I will. What's it gonna do about it? Don't move in 1, 4, 8. Dot, move in 1, 4, 8, 12, set. Move in 1, 9, 10, Dot, moving. Dot. Dot. Back on it. Slide to left. Dot. Hold. dot, dot, dot. Moving 1, 2. Dot. 8. Grab up. Camera be like.
Yeah, now it's up the hill. Ah! No! Yeah, that's look at that. After marching band, I finally can office.
Yeah.
That was baseball? Are you kidding me? They were screaming at baseball.
That's our final season, guys.
I almost started trying.
Good job, Emma. The press is in
Stay 6 feet apart, please. Are we going in? I'm going in the road. Screw it.
the road. I think we deserve that.
Going up the
Yeah, we can't stay 6 feet apart.
This is for safety purposes.
Yes. No, I can't, Shomek. I'm pretty sure Mr. Rosen would have my head. 7 Nation Army. Bum, ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, da, 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 da.
¿Dónde vamos?
I know, band room, I assume. We gotta put our...
Guys, we're never stopping. Real long. Okay.
Band room? No, because we gotta go to the band room, right?
My car is near the band room, kind of stuff.
We have our stuff down in my field.
Screw it.
What is this car?
Break off whenever you want to.
What was that? What?
I feel like, what? It's too late now. It's too
What,
late.
are we still marching?
Yeah!
Oh, yes.
Ah!
We're not running.
My car's over here, so... I was gonna do it for a split second, and then I was like, Mort's gonna have my head.
If you don't go?
No, if I play 7 Nation Army.
Oh, do it. Do it, Katie, do it. Katie, we're far enough away.
Am I legally allowed? No, it's... It's not me. Oh.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah.
Literally never stop playing.
No, you stop.
Yeah, you
At
stop
4 measures.
playing one note for like
What?
6 beats.
Oh, yeah, I do have it on.
For literally like 6 beats, you play one note, and then you go back to playing. I don't know it.
Oh, and Taka Chiwake. Whoa.
I played the wrong notes half the time.
Me too.
Were we legally allowed to do that because of those houses?
We did it every
Yeah.
Friday last year,
Yeah.
so I'm not. Alright, guys, can we get a shout out to this year's seniors?
Yes,
Okay, guys, now we play Ocean.
it is. No.
Now we play elimination.
No.
What happened to Luna?
I'm not playing. No, don't do it. We have to run down and get a word for a word.
Oh yeah, my car. Where's the line?
Oh, hey, stay distant, y'all.